internet emerging where there's no AI and there's honest voices and there's this parallel, universe basically where there's still emotional intelligence that is valued, natural intelligence, maybe even ancient intelligence where we're tapping into more like sacred knowledge. And that is being developed along with the side of cyborgization and everything we have to think about when we think about the quantum computing and singularity. So there is one side of population that will be merging with the machine that is as an AI, big intellect, and there will be another part of the population that will be not really buying into that story and developing a parallel alternative narrative. And I see that coming very, very clearly, especially with this network state, different voices that I'm hearing. And I'm welcoming all of these voices into this conversation, to this forum. But still, my preference is scale technocracy development, which is creating choices for people, making sure that they're educated about the kind of choices that they can make, of how much they want to be connected and plugged into being dependent on these technologies. Does that make sense?
I guess if you're going to talk about the sort of the human only thing, then proof of personhood would be absolutely critical for any human only network.
Did any of you meet this guy who's Swedish? Who he does this thing called Bit People?
No. What is he about?
Okay, I feel like Daniel, you may have met him. He's a Swedish guy. He was here in Chiang Mai, and he has this thing called proof of personhood, which is like everybody is like at the same time somehow on a video camera, and then this sort of confirms that you're not an AI. And he was around the network state stuff before it was called network state. He was also I have his name. I got to find him, but he's a very interesting guy. I'll bring him up. I'll send it later. I'll send you the information.
Okay, we're 10 minutes over. Ziv, do you feel satisfied that you've been able to share what you wanted to share coming in here?
Yeah. I mean, I'm super satisfied. Thank you for even asking that. I feel like I don't deserve anything. I mean, I feel bad for even being late. I got caught up, and I was scootering somewhere, and yeah.
Well, good. No, thanks for showing up. And, this smaller circle is also very important to me. I am very happy that all of you were able to join. Daniel, thank you for co-hosting with me. John, thanks for showing up. And Ziv, thank you for your wisdom.
Yeah, and Daniel, I just want to say, how is Malta? How is everything in Malta?
In the moment, it's cold. So we are in winter, how you call it? With animals, hibernation.
All right, well, that's winter. It's time to, contemplate and be slow, and then the spring will come.
Exactly.
All right, loves. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you another time. Okay? See you. Goodbye.
Bye, Ben.
Ciao.